2026 is the best year there's ever been to build a YouTube channel that makes money. You can do it without recording and without spending a fortune if you use AI the right way. In the next few minutes, I'll show you why the timing is this good and exactly how to build your faceless YouTube channel from scratch, even if you've never made a video before. Step 1. Understand why 2026 is a major YouTube opportunity. So why now? A few big changes hit YouTube at the same time. The main one is that the algorithm stopped caring how many subscribers you have and started pushing videos to whoever's interested in the topic. That means a brand new channel can get tens of thousands of views on its very first upload. On top of that, YouTube is paying creators more per view than ever, and the big channels that used to own every niche have lost their grip, so there's finally room to break in. Put all of that together, and this is the easiest it has ever been to start. But the crowd is coming, so plant your flag now. Step 2. Treat YouTube skills as a career asset. Even if your channel never takes off, this is worth doing, because the skills you pick up are valuable on their own. Running a channel teaches you how to write a hook, design a thumbnail people click, hold someone's attention, and read what an audience actually wants. Companies are desperate for people who understand this, because the folks running their marketing usually don't, and they can even pay 6 figures for it. So you've got 2 ways to win. Either your channel makes you money directly, or you take those skills and get hired. So there's no real downside to starting. The fastest way to get views, though, is to build around something people are already searching for. Step 3. Find a timely opportunity to build around. Right now, there are 2 of those. The first is the return of the football season in September, with the NFL and college games kicking off across the US. Here's why that matters for you. American sports viewers are worth more to advertisers than almost anyone, and in the next couple of months, millions of fans are going to start searching for team histories, old college rivalries, and breakdowns of how the new season is going to look. That's a wave of demand you can meet. Don't do it with shorts, though. They barely make you any money. Make long videos, because they hold more ads and pull in that higher value audience, with titles about iconic coaches, famous league scandals, or the psychology of hometown loyalty. Start now, while the preseason hype and training camps are building up, so the algorithm learns who your channel is for before the opening kickoff takes over the internet. You don't even need a sports channel. If you cover money, history, or psychology, just connect your usual topic to the game. For example, you could talk about the crazy economics of stadium deals. The second wave is GTA 6, launching in November. Most people will try to compete with live gameplay, which you won't win as a beginner, so go faceless instead. Cover the news and updates, deep dives on the map and characters, the history of the series, comparisons with GTA 5, and the money behind the game. This is the biggest launch gaming has ever seen, so search demand around it will be massive. Get your channel going months early, so it already has authority when the hype peaks. Step 4. Choose niches with high RPM. Not every view is worth the same. A view on a gaming or comedy channel might earn you almost nothing, while a view in finance, business, tech, real estate, or health can pay many times more, because advertisers in those areas spend far more to reach you. That difference is only growing as companies pull money out of TV and pour it into YouTube. So the clever move is to take one of those high-paying topics and point it at a trending event. Instead of a general World Cup video, cover what the players earn or the money behind the stadiums, and the same audience is suddenly worth much more to you. And since AI has made these videos cheap to produce, your costs stay low while your pay-per-view keeps climbing. Speaking of which, the next step is the most important. Step 5. Use SolloAI to make better videos faster. Instead of wasting time bouncing between 6 different tools that you have to pay for, you need a strong, affordable workflow. This is the only way you're going to stay consistent and make high-quality content. Personally, I use SolloAI. My workflow is simple. First, if you're stuck on a niche, you can ask Claude for a list of specific micro-niches and titles to start from. The scriptwriter lets you paste in your topic and a link to a creator whose style you like, so your script comes out in that rhythm instead of sounding robotic. Then in Sollo, the thumbnail maker lets you describe a thumbnail from scratch, or take one that's already working in your niche and rebuild it in your own style. And once your video's been up a while, you can even use the YouTube Performance Analyzer here to figure out what's holding it back, whether that's a weak title, a buried affiliate link, or a low-value audience, and it tells you what to change. So you're improving old videos, not just making new ones blind. There's a lot more you can do with Sollo. But what I love is that I can do everything in one place, which saves me a lot of time and money. And that's what you need when you want to actually be profitable. I've linked it in the description for you to try out. Step 6. Build for small channel growth. Your channel's subscriber count doesn't decide whether a video does well anymore. YouTube looks at your topic, how many people click, and how long they watch, then finds the right audience for you. So don't wait until you've got a following to take posting videos seriously. Keep every video in one clear lane so YouTube can tell exactly who it's for, and make each one about a specific problem or question rather than something broad and vague. A title like How to Fix Knee Pain After 50 will always beat How to Feel Healthier, because YouTube knows precisely who wants it. Nail the title, the thumbnail, and the first minute, and even a channel with no subscribers can take off on its first video. Step 7. Build a flywheel that keeps people watching. Getting the views is the first win. Keeping people on your channel is the next. YouTube rewards you for keeping people on the app, something it calls session time, and the longer viewers stay after your video, the more it trusts your channel and pushes it. So make one long video, 30 to 60 minutes, as the centerpiece of your channel. Then point all your shorter videos toward it using end screens, your description, and pinned comments. When someone watches a short video and then rolls into your long one and stays, YouTube sees you holding their attention and starts promoting everything you post. And the end of that long video is exactly where you put your offer, whether that's a course, a community, or a product. Step 8. Avoid generic AI content and build a brand. Now that anyone can churn out faceless videos with AI, the lazy generic ones are getting buried. What stands out is a channel with a real personality. That might be a character or avatar people recognize, a narrator voice that's clearly yours, a consistent look, or just a strong point of view and a sense of humor. Some of the biggest faceless channels are built entirely around one character that isn't even real, but that people genuinely grow attached to. Others can copy your topics, but they can't copy that identity, and it's what turns casual viewers into people who subscribe, come back, and buy what you recommend. Step 9. Pick your path and start. You've got 3 paths. If you're starting from scratch, pick a proven niche with real problems and advertisers who pay, with room to sell something later on. If you'd rather not run a channel, learn these skills and get hired to do it for a company. And if you already run faceless channels, now's the time to streamline everything using a tool like Sollo and push harder while it's this easy. If you want to see my exact workflow for making faceless YouTube videos using AI, watch this video next.